Want restaurant quality creamy pasta with almost no effort? Let me show you one of my favorite one-pot dinner. Today we're making one-pot chili oil onion pasta. Start with onions, fresh parsley and butter. Add garlic cloves, then season with salt and black pepper. Sprinkle in garlic powder, then add the tomato paste. Pour in the light cream and chicken stock. Now add your dry fettuccine directly into the pot. This is the secret to the recipe. Stir and cook for about 20 minutes or until the pasta is al dente and the sauce starts to thicken. Finish with Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley and a drizzle of chili oil. Stir everything together and serve. Top with extra fresh parsley, Parmesan and more chili oil. Creamy, spicy, comforting and all made in one pot.